The auras of each of the energy types. An important part of human design is understanding the auras of each energy type. Each energy type's aura operates significantly differently. Over 70% of the world have the aura of a generator, so it's easy for the other type's auras to be misunderstood. Auras communicate without words. It's what we pick up on before we even have the words to describe how we feel about a person. They're electromagnetic energy fields that carry information about a person's mental, emotional, and physical state of being. So today I'm going to give you a breakdown of each of the 4 types auras. By the way, my name's Natalie and I'm the creator of Your Guide to Shining from the Inside Out. If you like what I share here today, please check out my website for more information or subscribe to be notified of when the next videos are released. So first we have the auras of generators and manifesting generators. All generators and manifesting generators have a defined sacral center. It's what generates their energy and radiates energy out, giving them warm, magnetic, open auras that are designed to embrace and welcome others. Generators and manifesting generators are relational beings that thrive when working in cooperation. So their aura is designed to naturally draw people into their energy fields. The generator is working in alignment with their sacral energy and doing what they love. The magnetizing power of their aura increases, which pulls more opportunities and people towards them, as their sacral center connects them to one another and the world around them. The aura of generators and manifesting generators is responsive. It doesn't act first. It's designed to respond to what enters its field. The sacral center then lights up when something correct arrives. Their aura is like a radar reading what's approaching. Their sacral center then responds with, "Yes, this energizes me," or "No, this drains me." This is why responding is the manifesting generators and generators' strategy. Their aura is constantly scanning the environment, looking for something for their sacral center to respond to. When the sacral center says yes, its energy then aligns with whatever they are focused on doing. Manifesting generator or generator feels motivated, supported, or energized. The energy of their aura then multiplies, drawing more opportunities towards them. The auras of projectors. 20% of the population are projectors. A projector's aura is piercing and focused. They're designed to be noticed, which naturally provokes recognition from others and invites connection. Focused aura has the unique ability to deeply penetrate the auras of others, making them highly sensitive to the energy around them. This sensitivity forms the foundation of their innate wisdom, enabling them to perceive and interpret the subtleties of the energy in the environment around them. Projectors' auras are designed for seeing, reading, and guiding energy, which is why it deeply penetrates and focuses. For those that the projector is focused on, it can feel deeply intimate and allow them to feel a deep sense of connection, as the projector may allow them to feel seen and understood. A projector can understand patterns and energy easily, without understanding themselves how they have come to understand what they know. Due to the intimate nature and depth of what projectors pick up on, it is important for them to wait for an invitation before they share what they know. It means that when they do share, those they share with will be ready to hear what they have to say and receive what they are sharing rather than feeling judged or offended. I go deeper into the strategy of waiting for an invitation on some of my other videos on projectors. So please go and watch those videos if you want to know more about waiting for an invitation. It's not always as simple as someone offering you an invitation. It's understanding the energy and whether it's aligned with you before you accept the invitation. Waiting for an invitation can be quite empowering for projectors when it's done correctly, as it allows projectors to feel appreciated rather than diminished when they share from a place of alignment. It's what allows for a beneficial mutual outcome for the projector and those they share with. For projectors that recognize the correct invitations to accept, they feel seen, valued for their perspective, and acknowledged for their insight. Due to the projector's focused, penetrating aura, it's easy for them to recognize the gifts and potential of others, and so they assume that others can see the same in them, which is what causes connections to become unbalanced if they are not entered into correctly. It's important for projectors to recognize that not everyone operates the same as them, so they do not feel taken for granted or invisible because they're assuming others can see them the way that they see others. Recognizing invitations and the correct ones to accept allows for connections to be made correctly and then have a mutual exchange of energy. Auras of reflectors. Reflectors are the rarest type, making up around 1% of the population. Reflectors have a sampling aura that leans into the energy around them and mirrors it back. often amplifying what it's absorbed. This serves as an indicator of the health of the environment they're in. Reflectors' ability to sample and reflect others' energy back to them also allows them to feel who is working in alignment with their design and expressing their authentic self. They do this by assessing the energy of others in a non-judgmental way. Being open to everything without judgment makes them perfect conduits for wisdom and understanding to flow through. They are acutely attuned to the emotional, mental, and physical health of the environment they're in and of the people around them, making them ideal for assessing and facilitating the dynamics in a group. Even though a reflector's aura is designed to absorb the energy around them, it also has a natural protection mechanism that resists taking on the energy completely. This often makes the personality of reflectors change like they're chameleons, as they are constantly changing to mirror what's around them. This can also make it difficult to truly get to know a reflector, as they are not always presenting as themselves. Actually, resisting aura makes it difficult for others to penetrate and feel the true energy of a reflector, as a reflector is not always expressing as themselves and with an aura that naturally resists others. It is very important for a reflector to really get to know and understand themselves, so they can establish what emotions are theirs and be able to express to others who they truly are and what they truly desire. Reflectors need to remember that quite often what they're feeling serves as a barometer for the health of the environment they're in, and is most likely a reflection of the people that are around you or the place that you're in. Their auras are designed to sample but not permanently absorb, and they thrive in healthy, uplifting environments. It's important for reflectors to prioritize time away from others to release what they have absorbed so that they can reset and recenter and come back into alignment with who they really are. Otherwise, they run the risk of becoming overly associated with their surroundings and molding themselves to fit them. The moment they take time away from others, the aura will naturally reset and release what it has absorbed. And last, we have the aura of manifestors. Manifestors have a closed and repelling aura, which others may perceive as cold or distant. Their aura is powerful and asserting, and their presence can be felt by others when they walk into a room. Their aura naturally pushes others away, as unlike the other types, they do not need others to accomplish what they are here to do. They are the initiators in the system of creation, which is how they are meant to operate, including when starting relationships. Though independence is part of their energetic makeup, the impact they have on others can inspire and motivate them to act. The fully closed and repelling aura of manifestors does not allow others to easily read them. Its purpose is so that they are not easily influenced by others. It pushes people away to give them enough space to initiate without interfering. It allows them to move freely and start things without needing input. Their aura is always communicating, I'm going my own way, so give me space. Whilst manifestors are here to initiate and create, they need to be aware of the impact of the outcome before starting. This is why it's important for them to inform others before taking action. It gives them time to reflect on the impact of what they're choosing. Also helps to reduce resistance that they may get as feedback from others, as it allows others to understand what the manifestor is doing and give them room to create. It allows you to feel supported by others and ensure that what you're creating will make the right impact, which will then lead to the peace of mind that manifestors are quite often searching for. What I've shared here today has been helpful and informative. Please drop me a comment on anything you'd like to know more on, or anything that you did find helpful. Like and subscribe so you know when the next videos are being released, or check out my website for more information and to get your guide to shining from the inside out so you can get some more personalized information for yourself. Like I say, look out for my next videos and I will see you next time.